T-Mobile gateways offer three primary methods for managing connected devices: Blocklist, Pause, and Kick. The Blocklist permanently prevents devices from connecting, requiring manual removal for reconnection. Use this for unwanted devices. Pause temporarily halts internet access for a specified duration or until resumed, ideal for parental controls or bandwidth management. Kick immediately disconnects a device, forcing it to re-authenticate upon reconnection. This is useful for temporary access control or troubleshooting. These features are accessible through the T-Mobile Internet app or web portal. To use these features, log into your T-Mobile account via the T-Mobile Internet app or the web portal at internet.tmobile.com. Navigate to the Devices section. To Blocklist, select the device and choose Block to permanently prevent access. To Pause, select the device and set a duration for temporary disconnection or schedule pauses for recurring times. To Kick, simply select the device and choose Disconnect to immediately force a reauthentication. The app also has AI-driven anomaly detection, automatically suggesting blocks for suspicious devices to prevent unauthorized access.